Ever thought your daily metro ride was just a boring trip from one place to another? Think again. Behind those blinking lights and daily announcements is a world full of secrets, secrets they don't tell you about during your morning ride. From hidden cameras watching you to tricks designed to make you walk slower, metro stations aren't just about getting around. They're doing much more than you think. But don't worry. That's why we're here. Today, we're showing you 17 metro station secrets they don't want you to know. So hold on tight and let's find out the truth. Hidden cameras. They're watching you. Picture this. You're sitting at the station, just checking your phone or drinking coffee. But what if someone is watching you? And no, not that random person across from you. I'm talking about secret cameras. Sure, we all see the big security cameras. But what most people don't know is that some metro systems have gone full spy mode, putting hidden cameras and microphones in places you'd never think. Benches, trash cans, even in the ceiling. Why? To watch people without them knowing. So next time you're complaining about a late train or singing your favorite song, just remember, someone might be listening, making you walk slower. It's on purpose. Ever notice how you suddenly walk slower when you enter a metro station? You're not imagining it. They do this on purpose. Metro designers use tricks to make people slow down, like changing from tiles to carpet, making ceilings higher or lower, or changing the lights. Slower walking means less chaos during busy times. It keeps you calm and easier to control near security gates or escalators. So when you wonder why your feet feel heavy in the station, it's not your shoes, it's science, and it's working on you. Water fountains. Not as clean as you think you're thirsty. It's hot. You see that water fountain and think, perfect. But before you take a drink, you might want to think twice. Studies show that metro station water fountains often don't get cleaned properly, making them full of germs, just waiting to make you sick. We're talking about bacteria, viruses, and even tiny plastic bits in what should be clean water. Unlike restaurants or airports that have stricter cleaning rules, metro fountains often get ignored. So next time you want a drink, maybe just wait until you get home, unless you like mystery germs. Special treatment. Some people get checked. Less. Ever walk through security easily while the person next to you gets searched completely? That's not just luck, it's policy. Most metro systems have a quiet rule called priority checking. It lets certain people, like old people, disabled people, and folks with special tags, go through security faster with less hassle. But here's the thing. They don't advertise it. You won't see signs about it. It just happens. So next time you wonder why someone barely got checked while you're emptying your pockets, now you know. Lost and found. Your stuff gets sold. Drop your phone or umbrella in a metro station and think, I'll get it tomorrow, from lost and found. Sure, you can try. But what they don't tell you is that your stuff might already be getting sold. That's right. Most metro systems only keep lost items for a short time, and after that, they sell it, give it away, or throw it out. So that nice water bottle or headphones you left behind, someone else might buy them cheap next week. If you lose something, act fast or say goodbye. Smart cameras, they study your behavior. Think regular security cameras were creepy? Meet their smarter cousin. AI cameras that watch and learn. Yes, some metro systems now use smart technology that doesn't just watch, it studies you. We're talking about watching how you move, your face expressions, body heat, all to spot things like anger, hanging around too long, or stress. And here's the crazy part. It's all happening while you're just waiting for your train. It's a stop problems before they happen system. Sounds smart until you realize you're being studied like a lab animal. Crowd control, making you travel at different times. Ever notice how your ride feels peaceful at 11 a.m., but becomes super crowded by 6 p.m.? That's not random. It's part of their crowd control plan. Metro systems actually change how often trains come, what announcements they make, and even ticket prices to quietly push riders to travel at different times. Some cities offer cheaper fares if you travel earlier or later, but they don't exactly shout about it. It's their sneaky way of managing crowds, spread people out without making it obvious. So if your train timing was surprisingly smooth, congrats. You just did exactly what they wanted. Hidden fines, you can get fined for small things. You're drinking a soda. Your music is loud. You're leaning on the pole. Seems okay, right? Well, maybe not. Many metro systems have a long list of small rule-breaking things. Yes, that includes eating, loud music, even blocking doors. That can get you fined. But here's the problem. They rarely warn you. It's not like there's a big sign saying, "Don't drink that coffee." It's more like, "Surprise, you owe $75 now." So yeah, next time you eat snacks on the train, just know someone might be watching with a ticket book. Ghost stations, abandoned platforms still there. Ever look out the window between stations and see a creepy, dark platform that looks abandoned? You're not seeing things. Most big metro systems have what's called ghost stations, old platforms that people don't use anymore. Some were closed years ago, some were never opened, and a few, they're still used for training, storage, or emergencies. They're not on your map, and unless you know exactly when to look, you'll miss them. But trust us, they're down there, just waiting. Smart advertising, ads that know you. Ever wonder why the ads at your local metro station always seem perfect for you? It's not just luck. It's data-driven advertising. Modern digital billboards in metro systems often use computer programs that analyze time, location, foot traffic, and even passenger types to show you specific ads. Some setups can even detect how long you're looking at them. Creepy, a little, but it works, you bet. So next time you feel like that ad is talking directly to you, maybe it kind of is. Data collection. Your trip is being tracked. Tap your Metro card. Use the app. Get on the train. What you may not know, you're leaving a data trail. Metro systems track your entry and exit points, how often you travel, and timing, not just to improve the system, but sometimes for business partnerships and behavior studies too. You're basically telling the system when and where you go, every single day. So yeah, your metro ride may be quiet and normal, but in the background, you're part of one huge data collection. Conclusion? So, the next time you're going through your station, like it's just another trip, remember, there's a lot more happening behind the scenes than you think. If you learned something new today, or if we just made your ride a little weirder, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want more behind-the-scenes secrets from the world of metro travel, make sure to subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss what's next.